Gold futures. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We have dipped into NUGT territory. We're slightly off of oversold levels with the RSI. We bounced right off the 200 moving average, this green line, at a price of $1,786. With the 4 hour chart, we remain in MACD. We did see it diverge. As we extend out to the daily chart, we are in MACD territory. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $164.27, and that is this range there. My sell target's at $169.86. My stop loss is at $163.36. However, if I were to open my short position, my entry is at $173.59. My sell target is at $165.20, and my stop loss is at $174.55. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold futures has a 20% chance to climb between 0 to 3%. To the downside has a 50% chance to fall between 0 to negative 3%, and a 30% chance to fall between negative 3 to negative 6%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.